How to find private key in Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find private key in Phantom Wallet. To find your private key in the Phantom Wallet, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Phantom Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account here. Once you have the access to your Phantom Wallet, here at the top left, you'll be able to see the account option. Tap on it and from here now select the account that you'd like to view the private key. Once you have selected the account, here tap on the pencil icon at the right side of it. Once you tap on it, you will reach inside the space. Here you'll need to look for an option that says Show Private Key. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And now here you will need to review all this information given here and then tap on the little circle at the bottom. After that, tap on the Continue button. And in this next page, here you will need to select an account. Tap on the account you prefer to view the private key. And by doing so, here a pop-up will appear. Tap on the Yes button to confirm. After that, you will be presented with your private key. You can copy it by tapping on this Copy to Clipboard option right here, or you may also write it down in a secure location. Your private key is a sensitive information that grants full access to your wallet, so you will need to keep it confidential and do not share with others. Once after doing that, simply tap on the Done button at the bottom to return back. So this is how you can find your private key in Phantom Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.